You are not crazy.
And what's wrong with me? Huh? What the fuck is going on inside my head? Tell me, Dr. Val, what's your diagnonsense?
You are a lazy, self-indulgent little girl who is driving herself crazy.
Is that your medical opinion? Huh? Is that what you've learned in your advanced studies at night school for Negro welfare mothers? I mean, Melvin doesn't have a clue. Wick is a psycho, and you pretend you're a doctor. You sign the charts and you dole out meds, but yous ain't no doctor, Miss Valerie. Yous ain't nothing but a black nursemaid.
Big up for me, watch it till the end. If you like it, tell a friend. Don't forget to hit the bell. Subscribe and come again. It's the Dihalli. It's the Dihalli Show. It's the Dihalli. It's the Dihalli Show.